Hi everyone, this is Nasir Eusof from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today we'll be exploring an exclusive unit right here in 782 Pasir Ris Street 71. This is a 1,550 square feet HDB executive apartment, which is one of the 4 units on the same level and is nestled within the well-connected neighborhood with tons of amenities waiting for you right around the corner. Let's go check it out. Stepping in, you'll be first met with the spacious yet elegant living space that is just brimming with personality. Easily fitted a 3-seater sofa with plenty of walking space left and tastefully placed furniture. You know, with this kind of amount of space, you can design to your heart's content. The living room also comes with TV-featured walls as well as well-polished, taken care flooring. This is seamlessly connected to the dining space right over here, which can accommodate to 6 to 8 people generously. This large balcony has a serene, unblocked view of the neighborhood below. It fits for al fresco dining or even just for a morning coffee. It's also connected to one of the common bedrooms. Our kitchen is efficiently designed with plenty of carpentry, no wastage in space, featuring a see-through window overlooking the dining room. It is spacious and comes with its own built-in oven, hob system, and as well as a huge fridge to accommodate to your family.
Our 3 common rooms are good size with full-width window that allows abundance of sunlight. They easily fit in a queen-size bed with enough space for a built-in wardrobe, a desk, which is perfect for your children, or private space for yourself. The master suite is spacious and well lit, able to fit in king-size bed, a built-in wardrobe, and ready with feature wall for your TV.
It has a private toilet as well as a balcony with a superb view. This unit is a 5 minutes bus ride from Pasir Ris MRT station on the east-west line and is extremely close to TPE as well. For food and shopping, head down to White Sand Elias Mall, Pasir Ris Central Hawker Centre, Downtown East, Loyang Point for a host of eateries and restaurants. Parents will be glad to know the range of schools such as Meridian JC, Elias Park Primary School, Parkview Primary, Meridian Primary and Casuarina Primary are within just 2 kilometers radius. So why hesitate? Contact me at 9456 4324 for an exclusive viewing at 782 Pasir Ris. I'm Nasir Eusof from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. See you soon.